We originally didn't plan to be a manufacturer of our own products. We were going to contract out that capability to other local organisations that had built the infrastructure and so on. What we found was that for our type of product, which is complex, so I've already mentioned to you that it's a month-long process, very expensive in terms of reagents, quite complex from a cell biology perspective. We found it really difficult to find someone that could manufacture our product for us in a way that we were confident that they could do it, but also in a cost-effective manner. And so having explored a couple of different options, we decided to bite the bullet, and we had some space out the back, so we upgraded our clean room and decided we would do it ourselves. Having decided to do it ourselves, now that gives us the capability of going from starting cells, so the stem cell that I talked about, we can genetically modify those stem cells in the lab here, and we can actually then take those cells all the way through to a genetically modified immune cell, a natural killer cell, that we can put into patients. And so it gives us a capability of very quickly going from starting cell to product for patients. And there is no company in Australia, at least, that we're aware of, that has that ability in our field, so in the field of immune cells. And so that's a capability now that we have as a company. We can teach other people to do it. We can look at the possibility of contracting out our facilities, but also we can work with other people from universities and so on that have similar types of products, and we can move them along very, very quickly and get them into the clinic and treat patients. So that's a capability that we've built. We've invested very heavily in over the last 10 years, and particularly over the last year, where we spent the money that we hadn't planned to spend on upgrading the facility. We've recruited people, we've trained them, we've put in place quality systems and so on. That's a lot of work, a lot of money, a lot of effort. But once you've got it, that's a capability that you want to maintain. And we think, therefore, it's a very important sovereign capability that we built up here.